In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Tinatask on your mobile device in the simplest way possible. Whether you're curious about using automation on your phone, or you simply want to explore whether Tinatask can work outside of a desktop environment, this clear step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And don't worry, even though Tinatask is officially made for PC, I'll guide you through the safest way to access it on mobile. First, open your mobile web browser and search for Download Tinatask Mobile. Once the results load, you'll notice several websites offering download options. Look for the link from Softonic. It usually appears as the second option and says, Download Tinatask free latest version. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, tap on that Softonic link. You'll be taken to a page that explains Tinatask and provides the download option. Even here, you'll clearly see that Tinatask is designed specifically for desktop users, but Softonic still lets you access the installer for informational purposes. Go ahead and tap Free Download. You'll likely get a file prompt or a message stating that the app is meant for PC, and that's completely normal. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, avoid downloading from random or unsafe websites, and always check that the page you're using is trusted. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help protect your device from unnecessary security risks. Once you've tapped the download button, your phone will usually save the file, but keep in mind that you won't be able to run Tinatask directly on mobile since it's an exe file made for Windows. After that, you should be able to keep the file stored or transfer it to your PC later if you decide to use Tinatask properly. It's also a good idea to avoid installing any unofficial mobile Tinatask apps because most of them are unsafe. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your device protected. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to find and download Tinatask safely on your mobile device, while understanding exactly how the process works and why the tool is still desktop only. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying the same thing. Why not make someone's day easier?